Hey, enough of this, Eli. You can't ruin my destiny, Pete. Not this time. I'm 44 now. I will, because America is going to pick me.
Okay, so this kid gets bullied, but then he becomes a famous YouTuber. Hey guys, before we find out what happened,
What are you staring at? Hurry up, I'm hungry.
Hello, you guys. Today we're gonna play School Boy Runaway. I'm very scared. I've never beaten this before. I know what to do. But I just never escaped from my parents before, and I'm super scared. So let's just get into this video. Okay.
That's not fair. Now I have to sit
Shut
at
up,
home
kid.
because of that teacher.
Okay. Let's open these. Oh, flashlight. Good start, you guys. Good start.
I would show them how it's done.
We're in a good start. I think I want to go to my dad. It's very dark.
Oops.
Is that noise coming from bedroom? I need to check.
I need to get back to my... I need to hide somewhere quickly. I hope I don't get caught. I hope I don't get caught.
It's okay, you guys.
Yes, someone was here.
Nobody was there, sir.
Well, everything seems in place.
Phew. I thought I was done for.
Yeah, you're not done for because of me. Me trying to open the closet, but I can't see anything. It's so weird. Oh. Can we see what we got though? Key. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, let me do this real quick. But I think there isn't anything right there, right? There isn't anything. Oh, I can't see anything.
Come on, get it together! Time is ticking!
Oh, there it is. There's gonna be nothing. Yep. Okay. Let's check these cabinets. We're done for if his messages like pop up. We're literally so done for. Yes, this is exactly what we need. Have fun watching hockey. Oh, I love the team you're playing now. Ooh, we're going to a good start, you guys. Get the light bulb.
I gotta go water the Christmas tree.
Y'all. Bro. Insect spray. I will need that though, because I think I'm doing the ladder ending. But everybody's just right there. It's so, like... The rag is here though. He's so weird. Okay. Okay. we're off to a good start. We got 2 batteries. Oh, we do need that for the radio though, so. But I don't think I need these batteries because I don't know. I may get caught doing that ending. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I think they're both done. Okay, they're both gone. That's a good sign, bro. Doorbell. Oh. Doorbell.
I'm
Hit
coming.
this doorbell, baby.
Ah! Are you blind or what?
Go, go, go.
I need to create a smoke screen.
Okay, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait.
Anyway.
Okay.
Oh, damn! So much smoke!
Okay, slay. I heard this is the best hiding spot, so if we get caught, we're gonna do that hiding spot. And guys, if my camera goes off, I'm so sorry. I'll make sure to do part 2 later if the camera goes off. Okay.
How much longer?
He's back to watching hockey. We don't need this MacBook charger, but it's okay. Okay. Why? Okay. What's the middle color? Okay, I have to check the bedroom because we need
Here we go again.
the code. Okay. Oh. Okay, what's the code? Middle is red. Okay.
How could you not see that?
Middle is red. If the sleeping pills are in there, we're good. We're good. What does the dog have, by the way? I think he has the plank. Okay.
Well, there you go again.
Red. That's orange. This is red. White, blue, yellow. Okay, let me take a picture of this. I'll be right back, you guys. Hey, I'm back.
Oh, how could you miss that?
I'm back, y'all.
Gotta go water the
She's
Christmas
gonna go
tree.
water the Christmas tree. It's good. Let me take a picture of this real quick. Got the picture. She's outside, right? Okay, espérate un momentico. Okay. What's the top color? White, blue, yellow. Everything is just basically red right here. And then orange, yellow.
Oh,
Whoa.
something's pressed. I will go to the toilet.
What is it? I never knew what this key was for. Y'all, close one. Close one. I was super nervous. Dang. Ooh. That was super nervous.
Go check the phone.
He's gonna go check the phone. We're in the closet. It's fine. Y'all, give me a sec.
Stop. Is someone watching?
Nobody was there, bro.
Oh, you little brat! You thought I wouldn't notice the open cabinet?
What? I closed the cabinet.
Ganya! Come here, help me! Our son is hiding somewhere!
What a little cockroach!
Decided to play hide and seek.
Take the broom and go sweep the snow.
Okay, we got caught. It's okay though. It's okay, guys. It's okay though.
This is just embarrassing!
Okay. Y'all, did the mom find me? In the closet?
Faster!
Bro.
Damn it!
Okay.
Are you blind or what?
I'm done.
Well, at least you can do something. Now get to your books.
She was so calm when she said, now get to your books. She was like, now get to your books. Okay. We're good, but we really need to check the kitchen though. And by the way, what open cabinet? I closed every single cabinet.
Wait a minute!
Like...
Why are you messing around with the park?
Hi. I think I left the cabinet open. It's okay
Where
though.
are you going again?
Aquí está. Okay, we're still okay. But we need to ring the doorbell. I'm afraid we need to ring the doorbell one more time. We only got caught once. It's okay.
Gonna lose it.
Okay, just gonna go a bit faster this time.
Here we go again. I'll show you.
That's everything. Okay. Let's go on the computer.
Something's
I know.
pressing.
Okay.
I'll go to the toilet.
We need to stop him from going to the toilet, okay, you guys? That's our plan. Beta. So this is why we're gonna send him a fake message real quick. That was pointless. Okay, give me a sec, you guys.
Needs me there.
All right. I gotta go water the Christmas tree.
Okay, I'm back. Okay. We almost have everything we need.
Messing around with the pack.
This is really good. Okay, we can do that later, but...
Well, there you go again.
Why is the duck straight up looking at me? That's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie.
Where are you going? Ah!
But why is Mom's door open? Okay, it's close now. Okay.
I'm coming.
I told them.
Yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked.
Come on! Get it together! Time is ticking!
Okay. Since we're making Mom angry, we should do the gate ending. She opened the gate for a minute. Oh my gosh, we're so close. Wait.
How could you not see that?
Huh?
Who's that brave out there?
Y'all, I'm losing hope. Not gonna lie, I'm low-key kinda losing hope.
Where are you going?
She's back. There we go.
I'll go check the phone. I'll show you.
Bro.
Gotta go water
No, don't go water the Christmas tree. Okay, she's going to water the Christmas tree.
Something's pressing. I'll go to the toilet.
No. Wait, did that reset her? Hopefully that didn't reset her. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay. I know Dad peeing will take a minute, but Mom's Christmas tree will also take a minute. Guys. I'm looking at that stress. Okay.
Why are you so sloppy?
They're all back. We're good. She gonna open the gate?
Terrible!
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
Bro.
Who passes like that anyway?
We're gonna go when I stop hearing footsteps.
This is just embarrassing.
Who's that brave out there?
No, y'all.
I would show them how it's done.
Let's go back.
again!
Probably one more time and then she's gonna go outside. Okay, probably.
We're so sloppy!
No, what? I don't want this, you guys. Guys, this may take forever. I'm not gonna lie.
Ow! So close!
She's back, I think. Yep. Ooh, she's not going to water the Christmas tree. She's not going. Oh no. She's watering the Christmas tree. This is bad.
We're so sloppy!
Okay. Hopefully this time she goes out to confront the kids and then we can escape. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. She's back.
Where are you going again? Something's pressing. I will go to the toilet. Who's that brave out there?
Yeah, he's going to the toilet. He's so weird.
I would show them
Okay.
how it's done.
He's back. This time it should be it.
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
No, not yet. Guys, this is crazy.
Oh, and there is another miss.
Okay, let's go back. man.
What kind of circus is on the ice?
She's back. Man, I was hoping for it to
This
go
is like
there.
that anyway.
I gotta go water the Christmas tree.
Her watering the Christmas tree is so unpleasant. I'm not gonna lie.
Come on, come on. Well, come on.
We gotta wait for her to finish. That has to be the last one, right?
Here we go again.
Bro. One last time, and I think I'm gonna end the video. And I think the video is gonna be for today. And then you guys have to like for part 2. No, I'm just kidding. I'll make a part 2 whenever I want to. Okay. 3 more tries, and then we're gonna stop there. This is the first try again. Yes, guys, we did it. Slay. Let's go. We did it, you guys. We did it in 32 minutes. That was super long. I know, it was super long. It was super long video today. I'm so sorry. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure